Hey, good morning, guys. How is everybody? I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope everybody got their bags with their stuff for this week, outdoor fun. Um, and I hope with Saturday's heat, everything wasn't too melted and gross. So hopefully. All right, we'll get started with our current event because this is what's making my this program crash. So we'll read this and then close these out because but the number one MLB draft pick. So when I read about the draft a few days ago, last week, I misspoke. There is usually 40 rounds in the draft, and this year there was only 5. And I think I said 2, but there was only 5. So, all right, but this year, the MLB draft is June 10th and 11th. So it happened last week. MLB teams pick new baseball players at the draft. The Detroit Tigers picked the first player. They picked Spencer Torkelson. He is 20 years old. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I just want to close it. Spencer played baseball in college. He played baseball for Arizona State University. Spencer was a first baseman in college. He will be a third baseman for the Detroit Tigers. Congratulations, Spencer. So this Spencer, he was picked first out of all of them. And it's supposed to be pretty good. He watched some videos and he can hit the ball. All right, so what do MLB teams pick at the draft? Do they pick football players, baseball players, or basketball players? Baseball players. And what team picked Spencer Torkelson? The Detroit Tigers, the Boston Red Sox, or the Houston Astros? The Detroit Tigers.
Detroit Tigers.
What college did Spencer play baseball for? Arizona State University, Penn State University, or Duke University? He played at Arizona State. The Royals actually picked a kid.
University.
I think we were 5th from Texas Tech, left-handed pitcher. Yeah. All right, moving on to our morning meeting. Now that we got that done, and my computer is not going to crash. So today is Monday. And it is June 15th. So we are halfway through June. It's crazy to think that we are halfway through June. So it is Monday, June 15th, 2020. All right, weather, sunny. And it's going to be hot. The high is supposed to be 89. So if you're outside, wear that sunscreen. Okay. But it is supposed to be a summer day. All right. So the national days today. This one might be another one of my favorites. So it is National Smile Power Day. And this is realizing the power of a smile. When you smile, you feel better. When you smile at other people, they feel better. And so to realize that and to spread that, when you say thank you with a smile, or you just pass somebody walking on the sidewalk and you smile, the things it can do, and it has a contagious effect. So smile, not just today though, all the time, just it makes for things better. And then also National Photography Day. So this is celebrating those photographers and the pictures they take and their artwork aspect of photography. So there's that. But smile at people. Be kind. When you say things, say it with a smile. You can do it. All right. Today in history, Benjamin Franklin, he showed us that lightning has electricity. I know some of you probably have seen where he's out there with the kite. The kite gets struck by lightning. Well, that's not exactly how it went down, but that happened in 1752 on this day. And then in 1775, George Washington, he was appointed the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army. So he was top dude in charge. What else? The IBM, the computer company, now it was incorporated, so it became a corporation in 1911. That's over 100 years ago, guys. That's a long time ago, too. 1924, Native Americans are proclaimed United States citizens. And then in 1934, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is founded. I've never been there, but I hear it is beautiful and probably need to go check it out because there is a roller coaster park there too.